back and we live. You know what time it is. Plus this smooth. Be killing them reactions. STM. Solo. Nosh. What? Nosh. Part 3? I don't know what this is, man, but I guess we hear Rosie Smooth. I hear the kick and the snare. You know what time it is. It's part 3. Okay. Dang. It's gonna sound like hip hop. I like his voice. I like his voice. Who is this guy? Who is this guy with this deep voice? This guy is one happy guy, man. He's the happiest guy I know. Dang. Okay. New beast alert. Beast alert. Dang. I wonder where's part 1 and part 2, man. If this is part 3 and he's killing it, you best believe me, he's the one. Do you guys like his raps? Comment down below. Give this video a like. If you love me, like this video. If you don't love me, subscribe to this channel. Rosie Smooth. Ich want to choose болсон хоёр нүд чи нухтан нуур болгон огтон би та ойрлон галзуу нохтон одоо гişиг газар би таггүй түшгэр лааза чи бол мод нама барахгүй гиснүү зааза цэцэг ногоо зүлэг зулгаач битсэн шүлэг хамын хайрыг даахгүй бач юм уу зүгээр гөлөг ихтийн бол төлмат юу ч байсан нулимт дургу газра дургу